Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Only by presenting up the revision on the chapter skeleton and locomotion. Friends, in this series I've come up with the important points from this chapter from 81 to 100. Friends, if you really want to study this subject, this topic very much in depth, do keep a practice of noting down these points and revising it with me. Point number 81. The only movable joint in the human skull is between mandible and the zygomatic. Next, mandible is the largest bone in the face of man. Next, tendons are made up of collagen and ligament is made up of elastin fibers. Next, in mammals, the small ear ossicles from inside to outside are stapes, incus, and malleus. Next, human vertebral column shows four curvatures, of which thoracic and sacral curvatures are directed backwards. Point number 86. In pelvic girdle, the articulation of the iliac surfaces with the sacrum helps in support. Next, the intervertebral discs are pads of cartilage between two adjacent vertebrae and is placed between their centra. Next, tuberculum and capitulum are related to ribs. Next, pectoral girdle consists of ventral clavicle, that is joining ventrally with the manubrium, lateral acromion and coracoid process, and dorsal scapula. Below the lateral process is the glenoid cavity. Next, the two sets of carpals, that is proximal and distal, are joined through gliding joint. Point number 91. Each innominate bone is made up of dorsal ilium, lateral ischium and ventral pubis. Ilium forms sacroiliac joint with the sacrum and is iliac crest. Laterally there is acetabulum. Pubis has obturator foramen. Pubis bones form pubic symphysis ventromedially. Next, ulna is larger bone with two projections, namely coronoid process and olecranon process. Between these two is a double concavity to articulate with double condyles of the humerus. Next, first metacarpal is shorter and forms saddle joint with trapezium, while others form hinge joints with the carpals. Next, tibia is the second largest bone that has double concavity to articulate with the femur. Tibia has tibial crest ventrally for additional support. Point number 95. Fibula is laterally connected to tibia through fibrous joint. Next, knee joint is a hinge joint having small triangular bone called patella supporting it ventrally. Patella provides additional surface for attachment of ligaments, that is patellar ligaments. Next, ankle joint involves the tarsal called as talus. Next, internal ear is situated in the petrous region of the temporal bone. Next, styloid process is present in the temporal bone. Point number 100. Cribriform plate is important feature of the ethmoid bone. Friends, hope this series is helping you. Please subscribe if you haven't. Share it with your friends. Keep studying with me. Thank you so much.